Melissa from New York, and I wanted to know, how can I add a pop of color to my already traditional bathroom?
Well, the obvious and probably easiest choice would be to do something with window treatments, if you have a window in there, and maybe even use bright colors on the towels. I mean, if you have a shower curtain, you could do something really fun there as well to sort of brighten it up. But if you really want to make a splash, how about painting one wall a bright accent color? It works really well on the wall where you have the cabinets or the sink because you've got some things to break up the color, and just paint that one wall with a really bright color, and you can accent that with the towels and even the shower curtain if you have one. Just make sure that you use a paint designed to be used in bathrooms that has a mildewcide in it to keep mildew and mold at bay. Joyce sent us an email. I have moss growing between my pavers. Can you make a suggestion of some products that may work to help control it? So if you have a lot of moss, the kind of stuff that you could scrape away with the blade of a shovel, do that first. Then you got a couple of choices, really more than a couple, but these two I really like. This one you just attach to the hose and spray it all over the place, and it's gonna help to eat away at that organic material and make it look great. And this one you mix with water, put in a pump sprayer and spray it down. It's gonna last about 6 months. Do it twice a year and it should look great.